morning, my name's Alicia and today you'll be following me for a day in the life of a presenting officer. It's about 10 to 8 now, so I'm about to go and grab a coffee to start my day and then we can have a look at our first case. Good morning, Sue. We sit under Dispute Resolution Service. It's all about looking at decisions again once our customers don't agree with the decision that's been made. So our customers apply to different benefits and we have a look at the reasons why they think they're eligible and we look at the legislation, we put it side by side and we come to a decision about whether or not they're eligible. So hearing what I do, it might seem like you need a degree, but actually you don't. It's quite standard to enter without a degree. My training was classroom training, so we all learn as a group with somebody experienced in training us. There's always people around that I can call or message. If you really need help, you can always find somebody to help you. I'm now ready to go and pick up my bundle for my first case. These are all prepared in-house and the bundles are basically the history of the case all put into one for us and for the judges.
So here's the paperwork you want.
Thank you. Okay. Have a nice day. So it's 11 o'clock now, time for my first morning break, and I thought I'd just meet up with my friend for a coffee. I love problem solving, so I love problems. The more problems you can give me, the better. So I can see like a whole paperwork and I'm like, oh, that's a problem, that's a problem, that's a problem. But I've been taught how to do the job, but every day is different and it's up to me to apply those skills. It's up to me to try and find those little gaps in the evidence or to make those links that everyone else in the room might not be making. I get to work in my own way, so it's quite autonomous in that way. I plan my own day and there's no one kind of checking over my shoulder. As long as I turn up and I do my best, that's a good job done. So I've prepped my case, I'm now on the way to court and it's time to meet the judge and we'll have a discussion about what we found about the case. This is the best part of the week for me. It's always exciting when you can make real change and influence change. This is a really good learning opportunity as well. It went really well, so he actually turned up with some further evidence. Once we had a look at that, we could all agree that actually there was a payment that should have been made, so we've been able to put that payment in for him. He's very happy. It's 4 o'clock now, so it's ready for home for me. Thank you for following me, and I really hope if this has been interesting that you do apply, and I think it's time for me to go get something to eat now. Thank you.